Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at an enhancement that we've made for one of the features that we've got in our platform. That feature being the custom spot. Now, the custom spot serves two purposes. One, you can create a button on your home screen that will allow it to be clicked by different users and go to different web URLs. So essentially website links. You can create one button, and based on the user credentials of the people that log into your app, each person that clicks that button could theoretically go to an individual independent website. So you could have 100 people click the same button, and each one of those 100 people could go to a different URL. That's one function. The other function is the ability for you to create different home screens for different groups of people. So we've got one screen here. This would be essentially the default screen that everybody would see, and then you'd be able to create another screen. For example, this is for essentially employees or service providers for this specific app. So this based on the user credentials of who's logging in, they would either see this screen by default or this screen. So people that are going to see this screen will not see this screen. So like if you have employees, you can create an employee screen, and they would only see the features and functions that are related to them. They would not be able to see this screen. Okay, so that's the secondary function. Now what we've done is also giving you the ability now to enhance this by auto-assigning it. Okay, so this screen, for example, would be, say, let's say you've got a business that has a location in New York, Chicago, and Los Angeles, three different areas of the country. Based on the location of the user, the person that signs up in New York, they would automatically see the New York screen. The person that signs up in Chicago, they would automatically see the Chicago screen, and so on for the Los Angeles. People that sign up in Los Angeles, they would see the Los Angeles screen. And how this works is basically you would come to your settings in your store locator. You would click this, and you would need to create the three different locations. So you'd have call it Chicago, New York, Los Angeles. You'd have your three locations set up here, and in the home screen, when you're editing, when you're adding the image, when you click the add new button for the home screen, this is what it looks like. You'll be able to upload your button, call it whatever you want, and then down here, location access. So when you click this, you will see either all, anyone whoever you want to download, it would be either all your options, or you'd see New York, Chicago, Los Angeles based on what you've added in the store locator. So this basically means people that have their location services turned on their device, which is usually most people, when they sign up for the app, they will automatically be assigned to the location they're closest to, and then they will automatically see whichever screen they're supposed to see. So again, using the analogy I just used, the people in Chicago would see the Chicago screen for the app, the people in New York would see the New York screen for the app, and the people in Los Angeles would see the Los Angeles screen for the app. Really powerful tool, and has several different types of applications, but it's a great little enhancement to something that's already very unique. Being able to use one single app and have different users see different things on the app. Hope that makes sense to everybody. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.